Hey guys, so today I'm coming back with another how to draw tutorial. We're going to be drawing the side view of a cat. So let's go ahead and start. We're going to start with some circles. So first I'm going to draw kind of the hip part of the side view. So we'll want that circle there. And to help you, you might want to draw a line down the center, roughly the center of that circle, because the shoulder circle that we're going to draw is going to be a little bit offset from the last circle we did. So we'll go ahead and draw the shoulder circle a little bit smaller than our hip circle. And next we'll do a head circle, kind of not touching this because we still have to have room for its neck. So we're going to draw a small head circle. And then you might want to make some lines to center this circle because we're going to add the little snout off the side. So I'm going to do a little diagonal line like that, and then another partially diagonal line down, and then meet it back over with our circle. And we'll fix that up later to actually look like its mouth, but let's go ahead and connect these. So kind of a curved line down to this shoulder circle. And then from this side we do the same thing. So we're not doing straight lines, so we're kind of curving it off, meeting the two circles. Kind of looks like a peanut shape almost. Now we're going to go ahead and connect these with not quite a peanut shape, but kind of. So we're going to do our swoopy line and swoop up more on this since it's the hip. And we only need to do the stomach part right now. We're going to do the legs. So we'll connect this. You can either make your cat a thinner cat, or you can kind of make him a chunky cat and add more of a bulge right here if you want to. It's up to you. I'm going to make a slimmer cat. Now, for our legs, if you actually look at a cat's legs, it doesn't just come straight down like this, but you can put that as a guideline if you want to. So we're kind of gonna do ovals down. So we'll do like a half oval here, and then my paw, we'll draw another circle right here, and then we're gonna do kind of a elongated oval here, and then we're going to meet all that together to make our back cat leg. And I'm using all these as guidelines, and you'll notice I cut into this oval, but it was just there to help me get the main shape that I wanted. Following those ovals down into the paw. Like that. If you'll notice, that's how cat paws and stuff are. They kind of sit on their toes, and they have this part up. It's kind of the same with dogs too. Okay, now for this front leg, we're gonna kind of do the same thing. So our half oval, kind of roughly went outside the lines that I wanted to. And then, let's see, I want the paw here, so we'll draw that circle. And then coming off of it, I need that. And connecting them together. I may have to adjust this because it kind of ended up funky. Yeah, I think I need to I'm gonna make this top over oval longer. It needs to be a little bit longer. And then we can do our paw down here to match with that one. It probably would help if you, would have helped me definitely, if you draw a line like this for the ground. Because even now noticing that, I need to move this circle down to where my paw is supposed to meet the ground. And then draw our little oval up like this, and then there. Might have gotten this oval off a little bit. We might want to make it there. This is kind of turning more into looking like a cheetah than a house cat, but we'll go with it. Okay, and then we can go ahead and add the tail. You can do whatever you want with your tail. I'm gonna do a little bit of a flourish, but not just sitting there. It's got some motion to it. There's our tail. You just gotta find, not the very top of this circle, but kind of midway to this side. So if you want to make your dividing X again for this to help you get the mid point of that, where the tail goes, that might help you. Okay, back to the head. We're gonna shape our head a little bit more. And get that nose. We're just following our guidelines, and I'm rounding out that snout that we made and meeting it back with this neck. And then we need our ear, and it's the side, so it's just going to be one ear. We just do a little triangle, and if you want to, you can add, since it's facing that way, add a little line right there to have that be like the inside part of the ear, if you can see that. And we can even add just a little tiny triangle back here for the other ear. Okay, and for the nose, you just want to find that tip, add a nose, and for the eyes, it's gonna be right about here. If you still have your center lines, it's kind of about halfway in between the edge of this circle and then your center point. It's about halfway if you are having trouble finding where the eye is supposed to go or if it doesn't look right. Here's our eye. And we can add whiskers if you want to add whiskers. Right here. Probably too long a whisker than I did the first time. Do shorter whiskers. And there's our side view of the cat. And I actually might add some more fat to his tummy. He looks a little bit too skinny. And now you need to erase all these guidelines that we made. Erase all those guide circles. And there's our side view of a cat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you out to learn a simple way of drawing and to break things up into shapes to figure out how to draw it. If you would like more of this type of tutorial, let me know. Maybe let me know what kind of things you'd like to learn to draw in the comments. And if you enjoy these type of tutorials, please subscribe because I'll be doing a lot more. And I hope you have a good rest of your week. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!